Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, we are making our Naija #1 street food. If you are a Nigerian or you've been to Naija and you've not tested our #1 street food, beans cake, aka akara, guy, you have been missing oh. Straight to the business guys. So I already peeled my bean skin. My beans is ready to be blended. Guys, this is one of the easiest and quickest so far, trust me. So I'm going to be blending this with some tatashe, shombo and atarodo. Guys, I'm not using my blender for this. If you have a strong blender, you can use it. Thank God my neighbor has heavy duty engine. I paid chickily money and she blended it so smooth and clean without water. You can see how it looks, guys. Guys, the only thing akara demands from you is salt. Just put salt to taste. Akara does not need too much seasoning, please. So next, I'm just going to be using my hand mixer to mix this for 10 minutes straight. And yes guys, we are done mixing. So next we are frying. You have to make sure your oil is very hot. When I say hot, very hot guys, yes. Well, you just have to keep regulating so your akara doesn't get burnt. You can scoop with anything. This is what I have to scoop with. I don't want it too small. I don't want it too big. Guys, I am so sorry. I forgot. I didn't film the part I added some chopped onion. You can actually add your onion alongside with your beans, your blended beans, blend together. But I just added I chopped and added that's how I like my beans cake, aka akara. Guys, you need to get a skewer so you can flip. And when it turns golden brown, I don't know if this is golden brown. Is this golden brown? I shall know that my akara is ready. My akara is ready. Guys, I'm not capping. This akara was so yummy, fluffy, and delicious. Trust me, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.